Hey Apple fans! Leaked plans for 2026 reveal Apple's dropping a massive lineup of devices, from the iPhone 17e to M5-powered MacBooks and iPads. Is this their biggest year yet? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's unpack these epic leaks. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman dropped a bombshell, revealing Apple's plan for a flurry of devices by spring 2026 to drive revenue growth. Expect the iPhone 17e redesigned by MacBooks, upgraded iPads, and a new Mac monitor. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. Kicking things off, the iPhone 17e, codenamed V159, replaces the iPhone 16e in early 2026. It keeps the sleek design of the iPhone 17 series, but upgrades to a powerful A19 chip for top-tier performance. This budget-friendly model is set to keep Apple's entry-level game strong. Apple's MacBook lineup is getting a major overhaul. New 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros, codenamed J714 and J716, will rock M5 chips, delayed from 2025 to spring 2026. These are the last with the current design before OLED screens arrive later. Two MacBook Airs, codenamed J813 and J815, bring 13-inch and 15-inch M5-powered options, plus a new external Mac monitor, codenamed J427, succeeds the 2022 Studio display for pro-level visuals. The iPad lineup stays fresh with a new entry-level model, codenamed J581 and J582, launching March or April 2026 with a faster chip and familiar design. iPad Air models, codenamed J707, J708, J737, and J738, upgrade to the M4 chip for a massive performance boost, ensuring Apple's tablets stay cutting edge. Apple's 2026 launches, from the iPhone 17e to M5 Macs and iPads, aim to dominate the tech scene with powerful chips and sleek designs. This lineup could redefine user experiences and cement Apple's revenue growth. Which device are you most excited for? Drop it below. With launches starting early 2026, Apple's gearing up to shake up the tech world. Stay tuned for more details as we get closer. What's your must-have from this lineup? Let us know in the comments. That's the scoop on Apple's massive 2026 leaks. Are you hyped for the iPhone 17e's A19 chip or those M5 MacBooks? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.